All right. On the second episode, we're going to learn how we can create a reference cell by using the VBA. You see, if I want to put the record here into this cell, I can say maybe, what is it? Let's say Khalifa. You see, simple like that. I have to click it and write anything that I just want to write. It is simple like that. But I can put the Khalifa word here without clicking it and write it. I can use the VBA coding, right, to put something here. So, and that is exactly how I'm going to show you right now. You see, this one here, it is called a sheet 1. We have sheet 2, we have sheet 3, and so on. And this one is called a cell, an active cell. But the active cell is the one that I select. And we have this one here. It's an active cell. This one is an active cell. Each cell that I select is an active cell. And this one here, sheet 2, you can say this is an active sheet, or you can say sheet 2. Let's go to sheet 1. Each cell, it has a name. We have these columns. These are columns. A, we have this column from A up to XFD, right? And we have the rows. These are rows and numbers starting from 1 up to, all right, 1,048,576. So if I just want to name this cell, this one here, it's called A1. As you can see up here, I can name it, or by default it's called A1. This second one, it's called B1. Why? This is one C1. Why? Because it's in between this column C and row 1. So that's why it's called C1. This one here, it's called C5. This one, it's a B5. So these are things to make sure in the moment that we deal with the VBA coding. So let's go. Let's get to it. Let's show you how we put something here, like a word, like a data, by using the Visual Basic application. The first thing, we go to the developer tab. As a previous video, I've shown you how to activate this developer report ribbon. Okay, you have to go there. You can check that. My videos. It's called the VBA Excel, the developer ribbon. You can check it. So we go there and go to the Visual Basic application. All right, and we go to the insert and module, simple like that. And this is by default it's called the module 1. I can rename it. To whatever I just want to rename it. But here I can use this name, so underscore reference reference, right? Okay, I think, yeah, okay, simple like that. So here I can write the code sub cell, sorry, underscore reference, and sub. So the first thing is I can say active cell dot value. You see, there's a lot of command we can use them, but let's go to value. Okay, is equal to Ramadan. gonna put this and this, and okay, sorry, this one wasn't okay. So if I run, you see, okay, let's delete this. This is active cell. I can put it here. Okay, and if I run, you see what happened? It appear here. That's a active cell. Also, this is B4. This is C4. So I'm gonna put the other ahead, like C4, right? I'm gonna put the curly bracket dot value dot value dot value equal to Khalif. I put this and this. So if I run, you see, that is how it works. Simple like that. And next time I'll show you how to step into the options so that we can, it shows you step by step how this generated